Namaste everyone. Today in this tutorial we will see a similar formula which is very similar to SUMIF, that is called as average if. In your school time you may have remembered the formula for calculating mean or average of some observations, some numbers. You can see it is sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Okay, so first of all let us get started. You can see in this yellow ribbon it is having extremely similar syntax as we had in the SUMIF. Now here in this transaction side we are going to make a drop down using data tab. Go to data validation. Now choose list, source. Now select cash and online from this table. Now guys, you can see we have got the drop down and I want here the average of all the cash transactions here. Okay, now first of all let me utilize the formula equal to average if. Fine. Range. So this is the criteria range. And from this range I want to check out this criteria, cash. And lastly the average range, because I want the values from here. Fine, it is completed. Enter. You can see the average of all the cash transactions here in this cell is 517 and 50 cents. Okay, now let us do it manually. Okay, first of all let me go with this formula to check the answer. First of all, sum of observations. That means I am going to sum up all the cash transactions here in this cell. So equal to SUMIF. Fine. Range. That means this one range. Okay. From this range I have to check the criteria for cash. I can either write cash here in the inverted commas or I can directly select this cell also. Fine. Then the sum range would be this one. Okay. Now there you can see it is 4140. And now the total number of cash transactions here, number of observations, that means equal to count if. This is the range and from this range I want to count cash transactions. So I can write this. Now divide both of them here equal to this one divided by this one. Now you can see the same answer because the here format is different. Here it is in currency format. Now let us go to average ifs. And you can see it is extremely similar to that, but we have the different criterias, more than one criterias. So go for transaction. Shortcut for making the drop down is Alt A V V. Okay, list. Otherwise you can choose from the data tab also. So select these two. Enter. Here also transaction form, either it is debit or credit. Alt A V V. 2 times V, serially, not together. Okay, now list. Here debit and credit. Now let us select both of them, online or otherwise online debit. Let me find the average equal to average ifs. We have multiple conditions, so that's why is S. That means plural. So average range, I will select this one range. Then go for criteria range 1. This is first criteria range. And corresponding to this criteria range, I have this criteria because I want to check online from this range. Fine. Then criteria range 2. You can see as I am proceeding, the syntax is turning black one by one. Now, this is the second range. And lastly, I want to check this one criteria out of this range. Fine. So you got the average of all the online debits as $396.67. So I hope you understood this video because there was nothing difficult, as it was very similar to some if and some ifs. Hope you liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. And friends, in case if you have any doubt, you can just comment me in the comment box. And if you want a video on any particular formula, then let me know. Thank you.